Roblox festivalcom Robloxfestivalcom free Robux scam. Roblox festivalcom Robloxfestivalcom free Robux scam. If you've been looking for free Robux, you might have come across Roblox festivalcom or Robloxfestivalcom. But can you trust these sites, or are they scams designed to steal your account? Most people get this wrong by thinking any website claiming free Robux is legitimate. The surprising truth is that both of these websites are scams. Roblox does not authorize any third-party sites to distribute free Robux. Sites like this often try to trick users into entering their account details, completing surveys, or downloading malicious files. You won't believe what happens next. Some users have reported losing access to their Roblox accounts after attempting to use these platforms. Others are redirected to spammy advertisements, phishing attempts, or fake reward pages that never deliver anything. These tactics are designed to steal personal information and compromise accounts. To stay safe, always use official Roblox channels for purchasing Robux and avoid sharing your login information with third-party sites. Enabling two-factor authentication and regularly changing passwords helps protect your account from hacks. In conclusion, Roblox festivalcom and Robloxfestivalcom are scams. Any promise of free Robux outside official Roblox channels should be treated with extreme caution. Stick to verified platforms to keep your account secure and enjoy Roblox safely.